All right, beginning with toys like puzzles. You can scan the cover. This one sells for $11. Just keep scanning. You can look for some more stuff. When you're in the store, you're gonna scan products. You can scan the cover and you can scan the barcode. Example, PJ Masks puzzle, 63,000 rank. If it doesn't bring up the right product, look for the barcode. There we go. $12.95. You can buy this for $3 at Thomas and Friends. There it is, $16.99 for this game. It's a 49,000 rank. It sells for $4. Frozen. Scan the barcode. Where is it? There we go. $10.95. It's a 300,000. Some sort of Crayola product here. Nothing's coming from the front. Look for the barcode. $33. It's a 300,000 rank. We got some sort of Color Forms Avenger toy or stickers. Look for the barcode. $19. It's 145,000 rank. Littlest Pet Shop is a $20 toy, but it is restricted. You cannot sell this book. Spidey cell phone. Nothing. Cancel it. Type it in. Go Spidey flip phone. There it is. Someone's selling it for $65, 150,000 rank. Likely not gonna sell at that point. And it's $4. But there you go. Books, the Cupcake Bible. 700,000 rank for $10. Born Legend. 320,000 rank for $20. Rise of the Guardians. $12.99. Very cool book though. Check this out. Ooh, look at that pop-up book. Nice. Some good quality books in here. Look at that. That's a beaut. Your Busy Books. $45. 400,000 rank. Gluten book. Look at everything. It's Pineapple Lights. Nothing there. Star Wars. $13.99. Yokai. $15.20. Zootopia. Give her barcode. $19. 134K rank. Thai Beanie Babies. Right. Let's look for their barcode. For this thing, here we go. $11.99. Scan everything, baby.
Happy birthday.
Garner Animals. Socks. Nothing. Gerber spoons. $23, 19,000 rank. Swivels, $10.50. Soaps, shampoos, goat milk soap, 34,000 rank, sells for $17.44. Brands: Revlon, L'Oreal bouncing conditioner, $10.99. We got some reparative smoothing shampoo, $17.77. We have some smooth conditioner, 100, no. Gate Advanced Health Cleaner. $3.99. Make it your own. Trim a rim. Cups. Tupperware. You can scan everything, guys. Everything. Water bottles. Tornado bottles. $18 for that. Infuser bottles, water bottles, sippy cups, brand names like Zack snack cups, lights like unicorn lights by Globe. Olaf lights, $13. Pet food. Kibbles and bits. There we go, $22.45 for these kibbles and bits for the dog category.